Welcome! In front of me I have Maimo watch DCAE, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button until you see the Maimo logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch boots up, you probably will see this message on the screen telling you to download the Maimo Fit application on your phone to pair the devices together. And to do that, you need to have the internet connection on your phone. Of course, you will need to have the Google account on your phone, so you can use the Play Store. And once you do, open the Play Store and tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Maimo Fit. So it's like that, Maimo Fit. And once you find it on the list of apps, looks like this, by company called 70mai. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it, and the app tap on agree. Select the region, so basically we need to tap right here. Scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and tap on it to select it, for example, United States. Then tap on next. Allow the required permission. And now we need to log in into account. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on sign up to make a new one and then use it. Or you can use the Facebook or Google account if you like to. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Okay, and then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you should see the home page. Now tap on device icon, and here tap on add device. Allow the permission, and the app will start, or rather, app will open the QR scanning menu. And basically, what you need to do is to go to your watch, tap on this arrow. It will open the QR code, and you need to scan this QR code with your phone. So you need to pick your phone, it points the phone's camera on the screen of the watch, it will scan the QR code, start pairing the devices together, tap on agree and continue. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Tap on start now. Here you can connect your Amazon Alexa to the watch, and then you can use it on your watch if you want to. And to do it, you need to tap on login with Amazon. It will bring you to the login page. You need to log into your account, and it will connect the Amazon Alexa. I'm gonna tap on skip for now. And after that, you should see the device page, and on it you should see your Maimo watch DCAE. And of course, if you go to your watch, it should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.